Good morning students, I welcome you all for class 7, that is Media and Democracy. Students, in the previous class we have discussed about media, meaning of media we have discussed, and we have seen the importance of media. And today we are going to discuss about two types of media. The one is print media, another one is electronic media. Here, one is print media, one more is electronic media. So students, what do you mean by print media? Printing means what? Have you ever visited to a printing press? Have you seen a printing machine over there? How does it function? What does it do? Whatever we write, it prints. Have you seen the Xerox machine? What does it do? Whatever the format we keep, it same gives the same printout. Exactly the same. Print media is also, print media are in the form of printed material. Print media means printed materials or printed documents are called as print media. For example, you can tell newspaper, magazines, books. These are all in a printed form, written form, printed form. Printed, we call them printed material or printed documents. Such materials are called as print media. Then, second is electronic media. What do you mean by electronic media? Electronic media are those where we need electricity to access them, without which they cannot function. For example, see here is a television, radio, internet. Television, radio, internet, all these three, they require what? Electricity. Electricity to access. Without electricity, they cannot work only. Therefore, they are called as electronic media. The media which needs electricity to function or to work or to access, it is called as electronic media. Without this electronic media, they cannot work. Next, we will see about media and technology. What do you mean by media and technology? Here, in technology, it comprises of what? Television, radio, newspaper, books, magazines. It comprises of all these things, which the television, radio, newspaper, books, magazines, they reach millions of people across the world. It is possible only because of technology. Without technology, people cannot use radio, internet, television, magazines and newspapers. Therefore, in simple terms, how can we define technology? We can define technology as whatever the techniques which we are using today, the techniques, the skills or the methods that we are using today, it is used to help the media to reach more number of people. The skills, the techniques which we use today, it helps the media to reach more number of people. That is nothing but technology. Today, we also use advanced technologies. Today we use advanced technologies, the so-called as improved technologies. What is the use of these advanced technologies? These advanced technologies or the so-called as improved technologies help us to give the images and sound clarity to a long distance of people also. These technologies reach people via media. Media helps the people to use advanced technologies. I will give you one example. In the ancient days or in the olden days, we used black and white TVs. Black and white televisions were used in the olden days, in the ancient days. But today, in your house, can you find any black and white TVs are there? No. These black and white TVs are being replaced by color TVs. Today we have color TVs everywhere. In each and every house we have color TV. We have computers. We have internets. Because all these things are possible because of the advancement in technology. When technology has improved, we have seen the improvement in the change of electronic media also. The electronic media also changed along with the technology. Therefore, today we can use color TVs, internets, and even newspapers are also. In olden days they were black and white newspapers. Today we use color newspaper, colored article, color heading. Everywhere colors are used. They make the whole paper colorful. These all things are possible only because of the advancement in technology. Today, actually, this technology has changed the way of life of the people completely. The upcoming of new iPhones, smartphones, the use of internets, the updated technology has changed the life of the people, and these all, the television, the internets, the mobile phones, iPhones, smartphones, they have become the part and parcel of our life today, without which people cannot imagine their life. Therefore, they play a very important role. The sound and images have traveled huge distance through satellites and cables. Through satellites and cables and even towers. Satellites, cables and towers. These satellites, cables and towers play an important role in transmitting sound and image to a long distance to the people who are watching from a very long distance, or to a people from a different state or different nation. Not only nation, through the international also. International things are also captured in the televisions through satellites. Without these satellites, cables and towers, whatever equipments or the gadgets, electronic things we are using today, they become just as a dummy. They become a dummy box. Without these, if we have television in our house and there is no cable connection, any of your favorite channels, cartoons, any entertainment will come in that? No. That means what? It is a dummy box. In computers, if we don't have net connection, if the signal is not clear, if the satellites are not there, we will not get signal. Then it is called as only a box. Without these things, they are called only a box. These satellites, cables and towers helps us to use the advanced technologies. Therefore, they play a very important role to cover a very long and far distance also. Therefore, these cables, satellites and towers play an important role, and technology has become a part and parcel of our life today. Next, we will see the cost and earning of media. Next, we will see what is the cost, how much investment is necessary to set up a studio, And after setting up a studio, what is the earning from that? We do anything, any business in order to gain profit. If we are in loss, we will shut down that business. In the same way, this media or electronic media, it is also a form of business. We will see who runs this business. In order to set up a TV studio, what do we require? We require camera, we require light, we require sound, we require transmission satellites, and we also require highly trained professionals to run them. Now, for example, we have set up a TV studio. We have light, camera, transmission satellite, everything we have. We don't have people to operate them. Then it becomes waste. Therefore, highly qualified professionals are also very necessary, very important. Trained people, the so we called as skilled people, are very important to run that media also. We will see how this cycle functions. What is this? Just now I said you about the cost. They require crores and crores of rupees to set up a TV studio, understand, to run a newspaper, even a radio station to set up. Its investment is more. Who will do this business? Business house people or the producers, the so-called as the wealthiest person, the richest person. What they do investment. For example, if they want to sell any products in the market, now day to day we read newspapers, every day we watch television. What do we see after every 10 minutes, after every 15 minutes, after for example now when we see a cricket match also, after every over, what do you observe? We observe advertisements in the middle. Again in the middle, after every over, after every interval of time, advertisements come. How they telecast their advertisements? Because these business house people, these producers, they pay the TV channels. They are paid by the business house people. They are paid by the producers. They pay them. They pay the TV channels, newspapers, radios. They pay them. Therefore, these newspapers, radios, televisions, etc., what do? They promote their products. For example, we will take one example here. Example of Colgate. We will take one example of Colgate. For example, we will take the example of toothpaste. Early morning when we get up, we go to brush our teeth. When we go to brush our teeth, we require toothpaste. In toothpaste, we have variety of toothpaste. Colgate, Close-Up, Sibaka, Dantkanti, Babool, so many varieties of toothpaste we have. What these producers or business people do, they make their advertisements very attractive or very catchy by giving their products in the hands of the cricket players or the film heroes and heroines. These TV channels pay the cricket players, pay the heroes and heroines in order to promote these products. And when we get attracted by those products, what do? We go and buy the products which are seen in the media. We will study this procedure. How does it work? These business class people or those so-called as the producers, the wealthiest person, the rich person, what do? They take the help of media. They take the help of media to advertise their products. They advertise their products through television. And these business house people or the producers, what they do? They pay them. Here. They pay televisions, newspapers and radio people, they pay. And these television, newspapers, these media peoples, they pay the cricketers, heroines, some famous personalities, sports persons, they pay them. And whenever our any favorite heroes, favorite cricket players come, they do any advertisement of any product, we get attracted by them. Whatever advertisements they are showing, it creates a great impact on the readers, viewers and listeners. We are watching television, we are reading newspaper, in middle one advertisements will come. Here, it makes a great impact on readers, viewers and listeners. And these media people try to attract us. And what happens? The people buy the products which are seen in the media, therefore the money again flows back to the business class people. Here, from these people, from the listeners, viewers and readers, when we buy their products which are shown through advertisements, our money again will flow back to the business class people. Again they try to do some other different kind of business. Again they little bit improvise on their business. Again they start new business. Whenever they do any new product, if their products they want their products to be sold in the market, what they do? Again they take the help of media. Again they go for advertisement of their products. Again their products are promoted by the televisions, newspapers, radio people. This is the chain. Again, when the advertisements are coming, we get attracted by those advertisements. Here the readers, viewers and listeners get attracted by the advertisements. We buy their products. Again the money again flows back to the business class. Therefore, how the business people, the producers, they maintain their richness. They go on doubling their amount. The rich people remain rich only. The middle class people are middle class only. The poorers in our country are very poor only. This is how the cycle operates. This is about the cost and earning of media. I hope students, so far today, whatever I have explained, you have understood about the types of media and technology, and how advanced technologies, the updated technologies are used in day-to-day life, and how technologies have become the part and parcel of our life. And we have also seen the cost and earning of media. Tomorrow in the next class we will discuss what is the role of media in a democracy. Thank you, students.